Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining. I'm Melissa. Thrift store finds. Today I wanted to show you some thrift store finds that I gathered at my local thrift store and how I incorporate that into my home decor. Have you ever noticed that old is new again? If you go online to different home decor sites, you'll start to see items that you can purchase that are really expensive, but they are actually made to look old. And so what I like to do is go to thrift stores, peruse down the aisle, enjoy myself, bring a coffee if I can actually carry and juggle it all with my cart. And I start to keep that eye for home decor, especially things that I can buy for cheaper and make it look new in my home. One such thing that I love to do is look for baskets. You will see a lot of high-end decor items as well as high-end interior designs full of baskets, full of that natural woven, natural wood look. I am absolutely drawn to that right now, and I really want to try to incorporate that for a lot less money. Because again, there's a huge price tag to these baskets. I cannot get over it. So usually at your local thrift stores, you will start to see areas that have all of those baskets. And if you start to weed through the baskets, you're going to find some really great finds. I was really impressed with this find in particular because I have seen this exact same priced way more at a high-end home decor site. And I was able to get it for way less than half the price that it is online. What I really like about the baskets is you can change it up depending on the season too. So you might have a basket that you'd like to put items in. So like my case, you can put some pillows or blankets, but you can also change it up for the season, and maybe you're going to put flowers or something else in there throughout the year. Another find is actually these pillows. Now, I'm not one to usually buy used pillows from thrift stores. However, pillowcases, well, that's another story. With pillowcases, you can pull them right off, wash them, and even if your pillows are small enough, like the one I found, you really can wash them ahead of time. I really like looking for those old pieces because again, if you go online, you're going to see these as new and trying to make it look old. And here you can actually find the real thing. Another thing I like to do with baskets is I will also use baskets as trays. And this will help to create a little vignette or an added decor in a certain area. And for me, those trays really help to frame out that decoration and make it stand out that much more. Another thing that I really like to use that I don't actually see much, at least I don't see it on the home decor sites that I'm looking for, but are crochet doilies. I find these in a large abundance no matter what thrift store I go to. Seemingly it's pretty easy for me to find. I really like using them to add an extra layer to a decoration, maybe a vignette. It also helps to soften and help create more of that French feeling or that vintage feel that I'm going for. So doilies can be used all around for any type of decoration, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Now, one thing that I really like looking for when I go thrift store shopping is vases. I love the very clean, plain lines of some vases that I can just put a few branches in and call it a day. Or I really like some intricate detail that I found in here because I'm really attracted to old items. It's the extra detail that is put into it that you don't really see now with the modern look of those really clean straight lines anymore. And so anything to me that has a curve or decorative interest, I'm drawn to. And you can use these throughout your house as actual vases. I've also seen these being used as candlestick holders, and I actually bought this because I have a DIY in particular that I would like to use this for, so stay tuned. And then another item that I found that I absolutely love is a cloche. I seriously had to really think about how to pronounce that to make sure I was saying it right. And what I like about it is it really, again, adds some decorative interest. It can add some depth to a vignette that you're trying to set up in your home. It really helps to ground it or center that decor. I can find these in garage sales, yard sales, as well as thrift stores. And I try to pick them up because when you find them Even though there's some similarities to each one, there's always a little bit different. It might be in the weight, it might be in the size, it might be in the height. So use that to your advantage because you can really play that up and create some more visual appeal to your decor. So these are just a few items that I picked up from a thrift store. It was really cost effective. It also helped to bring my home decor up a notch. I really hope these finds have given you some inspiration so that when you go thrifting yourself, you will have that decorator's eye. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing. It always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, I hope this has helped you to stay inspired.